Hello, in this session we'll see another question on adjoint of matrix. So let's say we have a matrix of order 3 with elements 2, 3, 1, 0, 5, 6 and 1, 1, 2, and we have to find the adjoint A. So in order to find the adjoint A, we'll start with finding the minors of each of the element of the matrix. So we'll start with finding the minors of each element of the matrix. Then we will form matrix of the minors, and then we will form the matrix of the cofactor, and then transposing this will give the adjoint A. So starting with finding the minors, let's start with minor M11. So we can see that for M11, that is for the element of A11, we will be removing row 1 and column 1. So this will give us a determinant with elements 5, 6, 1, 2, and this will be 4. Similarly, minor M12 will have elements for A12 position, removing row 1 and column 2, we will have determinant 0, 1, 6, 2, and this will be negative 6. Now similarly M13 will be 0, 5, 1, 1, and this will be negative 5. M21 will be 3, 1, 1, 2, which is 3 times of 2 minus 1, which is 5. M22 will be equal to 2, 1, 1, 2, which is 4 minus 1 equal to 3. M23 will be 2, 3, 1, 1, which is 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1. M31 will be minor 3, 1, 5, 6. So this is 18 minus 5, which is 13. M32 will be 2106. This is simply 12, and M33 will be 2305, and this is 10. So we have found all the minors, and now we can form a matrix of minor. So this matrix of minor will be 4 minus 6 minus 5, 5, 3 minus 1, 13, 12 and 10. This is from all the minors we have formed. So this M11, 12, 13 will form row 1, M21, M22, M23 will form row 2, and M31, M32 and M33 will form row 3. Now of these matrix of minor, we know that the odd positions are this 1, 2 position, 2, 1 position, 2, 3 position and 3, 2 position. So for all these positions, the matrix of cofactors will be negative of the elements and rest of the elements will be same. So matrix of cofactors will become 4, negative of negative 6, negative 5, negative 5, 3 and negative of negative 1, 13, negative of 12 and 10. So this is 4, 6, minus 5, minus 5, 3, 1, 13, minus 12 and 10. So this is our matrix of the cofactors. Now we know that the adjoint A will be transpose of this matrix of cofactors. So writing it as 4, 6, minus 5, minus 5, 3, 1, 13, minus 12, 10, and transpose of this matrix. So transpose, which is obtained by interchanging the rows and columns, this will be taking row 1 as column 1 here. We will have 4, 6, minus 5. Taking row 2 as column 2, we will have minus 5, 3, 1, and column 3 will be formed by the row 3, and this is 13, minus 12, 10. So this is the cofactor transpose, and therefore this is the adjoint A. So this is our adjoint A. Thank you.